Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make frozen gummy bears. First, you will need your favorite gummy bears and a freezer-safe container. Make sure the container has a tight-fitting lid or can be securely covered. Selecting a mix of colors and flavors will make your frozen treats even more exciting and visually appealing. This simple preparation ensures a successful and delicious outcome. Now, let's get to the freezing. Carefully spread your gummy bears in a single layer within the container. This prevents them from clumping together into one large block. Place the container in your freezer for a minimum of 2 to 3 hours. For the best, firmest results, I recommend leaving them in the freezer overnight, which is about 8 hours. Patience is key for perfect frozen treats. Once your gummy bears are perfectly frozen, it's time to enjoy them. Take the container out of the freezer and let it sit for just a few minutes before serving. This brief moment allows them to slightly soften, making them easier to chew. You'll discover a wonderfully unique texture that is both chewy and refreshingly cool, a fantastic twist on a classic candy. Here are some fun tips and variations to try. For an extra burst of flavor, consider freezing your gummy bears in a thin layer of fruit juice. You can also experiment with other types of candy, such as sour gummies or various fruit snacks, for different textures. Remember to store any uneaten frozen gummy bears back in the freezer to maintain their delightful chill. Enjoy your creative frozen treats.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.